Oh, like swimming lang yan. Go. Take care. Take care. Also keep on living mo. Ayan o. Then you. One more time. One more time.
Ayun daw yung sabi sa right. Di mo kaya yung katawan mo, oh. Di ka kasi nagdi-drink ng milk.
Di ba you did it last time?
Oh.
You did it last time na eh. O sige, you do. Again. Jump. No jump. O yan na pala eh. You can reach na. You no need to jump.
I need a higher one. Dati yung sito hanggang dito.
Mm.
Now it's just the floor.
Mm.
Now you can just reach. No need to jump, di ba? Last time you need to jump.
I'm not gonna do it. Dati ganun pa ako. Tapos nagsabi.
No, that's last time you jump.
The first one I tried here. Then and then now I can just like this.
Reach for the sky. Ay, don't jump doon ah. You might wet yung wet.
One more time pa.
Ano, saan ka
What? Go
punta?
home na? What? Oh, go home na?